Here is Yoga Go app, one of the top yoga apps out there. It's pretty high in the charts. Let's just install it, see if there is some free plans available. And yeah, this app is exactly focused on weight loss. And you can see some yoga workouts for everyone, smart training plans, guided exercises, workout according to your goals, workout builder. Yoga Go offers full body yoga exercises as well as programs focusing on specific areas of the body, including the buttocks, abs, and legs. Yoga Go combines customized fitness plans to give users an all-inclusive, anytime, anywhere solution. Start doing your own yoga practices and build one more good habit into your life. With Yoga Go, you'll get exercises based on your personal preferences and abilities, 7 30-minute workouts for both beginners and advanced yogis, all the benefits of yoga in one app. So home-based yoga workouts, subscription info. So yeah, that's what you get, and then you can just open it up, and then yeah, so get started. Can allow notifications, and then what's your gender? Male. Choose your goals. No, flexibility, weight loss, for example. And then you can just select your body type, select your aim, your problem areas. So yeah, and then you just complete all of these things, all of this onboarding. So here, what's your height? And then you can just add it here like that. Just add it. So then you can see here, and it's like very long onboarding, but they are just then using this data to you know, to improve your plan, and that's basically your plan. And then it kind of creates, but I just want to show you if there is any like freemium option available, or like and then let's check out. So now what you have here is there is 3 options. 1 month is $19.99 per month. There is also 12 months, $60. That's actually quite a good deal, to be honest, because other apps like fasting apps, they're offering 6 months for like $60 usually, and then there is 3 months for $35, which you can also get. So that's how you can get unlimited access to your personal yoga plan. Yeah, and then you need to upgrade. So there is no free trial, there is no free option, unfortunately. And then you just need to proceed from here and start it like that. So that's $19.99 per month. So that's where you can get started. Yeah, but it can be definitely worth it. I'm not sure if 1 month is worth it. I think 12 months can be nice subscription, even if you don't like it. After some time, it's still a kind of good investment to try out just for this app. And you don't need like that many of these fitness apps. Maybe maximum you can have 1, 2, maybe 3. And all of these apps, like you can upgrade for like $30 here and there, that you will spend like $100 to try 3 apps and then just choose one. And then, you know, if it really brings you, and or at least helps you somehow to bring some results, then yeah, then you can just get it. So hope that is helpful, and thanks for watching.